Why did you laugh when I started talking?
I didn't laugh at you.
It felt like you did.
That wasn't my intention.
Everyone heard it.
It was a quick reaction.
Right when I began speaking.
I was nervous.
So you laughed at me?
I laugh when I'm uncomfortable.
That moment mattered to me.
I know.
Then why didn't you control it?
I didn't expect you to speak.
That's even worse.
I mean, it surprised me.
Like I wasn't ready?
You seemed unsure earlier.
But I still tried.
Yes, you did.
And you laughed.
It wasn't about judging you.
It didn't feel supportive.
I regret it.
Do you understand what it did?
Tell me.
My mind went blank immediately.
I noticed you paused.
I lost every word I prepared.
I'm sorry.
Sorry doesn't fix that moment.
I know.
People were already watching me,
That room can be intense.
and your reaction made it worse.
I didn't realize it looked that way.
It looked like you didn't believe me.
That's not true.
Then why react like that?
Because I was stressed.
Your stress turned into my embarrassment.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
But you did.
I can see that now.
You always seem confident.
I'm not always confident.
You looked calm today.
I was pretending.
So your laugh was fear?
Yes.
It didn't look like fear.
I hide it differently.
Well, I don't.
I noticed.
You mean when I froze?
You didn't freeze completely.
It felt like I did.
You recovered after a few seconds.
Those seconds felt like minutes.
Time stretches under pressure.
I kept thinking about your laugh.
I wish I could take it back.
You can't.
No,
So now it's just stuck in my head.
that happens to me too.
What do you mean?
I replay my mistakes constantly,
Even small ones?
especially small ones.
Then you understand this feeling.
More than you think.
Then why do it to me?
I didn't do it intentionally.
Intentions don't erase impact.
You're right.
I worked all night preparing.
I could tell you practiced.
Then why act surprised?
Because you didn't tell me.
I wanted to prove myself.
Without warning me?
Yes.
That caught me off guard.
So you reacted badly.
Yes.
And now I feel like a joke.
You're not a joke.
That's how it felt.
I hate that I caused that.
It's not just the laugh.
What else?
You didn't support me after.
I thought staying quiet would help.
It made it worse.
Why?
Because it felt like agreement.
Agreement with what?
That I wasn't good enough.
I never thought that.
Then say something next time.
I will.
You always say that.
This time I mean it.
You meant it before too.
Maybe I was afraid.
Afraid of what?
Of being wrong about you.
What does that mean?
I believed you were ready.
And now you don't?
Now I'm unsure.
That hurts more than the laugh.
I'm being honest.
Honesty can be brutal.
I didn't want to lie.
So you doubt me now.
I doubt your timing.
That sounds like doubt in me.
It's more complicated.
Explain it simply.
I think you rushed today.
Because I'm tired of waiting.
Waiting for what?
For you to believe in me.
I do believe in you.
Not in that moment.
I hesitated.
And I saw it.
That hesitation wasn't about you.
Then what was it about?
About us.
Us?
Yes.
What about us?
Things have been changing.
I noticed.
You've been acting differently.
So have you.
Because something feels off.
Say it clearly.
I don't know where we stand anymore.
That's what this is about?
Partly.
So your doubt isn't just professional?
No, it's not.
That explains everything.
What do you mean?
Why your reaction felt personal.
It wasn't meant to be.
But it was.
I see that now.
You don't just affect my work.
What else?
Your opinion affects how I see myself.
That's a lot of pressure.
I didn't choose it.
Then why give me that power?
Because somewhere along the way,
What happened?
I started caring about you more than I should.
I started caring about you more than I should.
You too?
Don't sound surprised.
I wasn't sure.
I tried to hide it.
You hid it well.
Not as well as you think.
Then why act distant lately?
Because it was getting obvious.
To who?
To me first.
So you pulled away.
I thought it would fix things.
It made things worse.
I see that now.
When you laughed today,
It wasn't about you failing.
then what was it?
I panicked seeing you vulnerable
Why would that make you laugh?
because I didn't know how to react.
So you chose the worst option.
I didn't choose it consciously.
It still hurt.
I know.
More than you think.
Tell me.
I thought you were judging me.
I was scared for you.
That doesn't sound the same.
Fear looks different sometimes.
It looked like rejection.
I hate that it looked like that
Then why stay silent after?
because I froze too.
You looked calm.
I always look calm
So we both hide things.
in different ways.
I break under pressure.
I mask it.
Neither works well.
Not today.
Today exposed everything.
Yes.
Your distance, my fear.
And what we avoided saying.
Exactly.
I didn't want to admit it
Neither did I.
because it changes how we work.
And how we see each other.
That scored me the most.
Me too.
So I try to control it
By acting cold.
by creating distance.
And I overthought everything.
We made it heavier.
Much heavier.
I should have talked to you.
I should have too.
Instead, we let it build.
Until today exploded.
Exactly.
Do you regret it?
Regret what?
Caring this much?
No.
Really?
I regret how I handled it.
That's different.
Caring isn't the problem.
Then what is?
How we reacted to it.
Avoiding instead of talking.
Exactly.
Laughing instead of supporting.
That one still hurts.
It will for a while.
I'll earn back your trust.
That takes time.
I'm willing to try.
Then start with this.
What?
Next time I speak,
Yes?
don't react like that again.
I won't.
Even if I struggle,
Especially then.
I need support, not silence.
You'll have it.
And I'll be honest sooner.
No more hiding pressure.
No more guessing feelings.
Deal.
Deal.
So, where does this leave us?
Somewhere real.
Real sounds risky.
But better than fake distance.
Agreed.
We'll have to be careful.
But not silent.
Exactly.
And not distant.
Not like this week.
Never like that again.
Good.
One more thing.
What?
You didn't ruin that moment.
It felt like I did.
You were brave to speak.
Even if I stumbled,
Especially because you did.
that means something.
It means you're growing.
I needed to hear that.
I should have said it earlier.
You're saying it now.
Better late than never.
Yeah.
Next time, I'll say it sooner.
And I'll speak without waiting.
That's the version of you I trust.
Then don't doubt me like that again.
I won't.
Promise?
I promise.